वाहेगुरु तन वाहेगुरु 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 तन वाहेगुरु
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा।
Bidar city has its own glorious past and rich cultural heritage. In the 15th century, Khwaja Muhammad Gawan, a great visionary and the Prime Minister of Bahmani Kingdom, established a center of higher learning known as Madrasa of Muhammad Gawan, which revolutionized the education system. Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited Bidar during his second missionary tour and blessed the people of Bidar with sweet drinking water as the water in Bidar was salty. This Jhira is flowing continuously till date from last 500 years. Gurudwara Shri Nanak Jhira Sahib is a Sikh historical shrine built to mark the holy visit of Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Bidar. In this historical city again, in the early 1960s, a young, dynamic visionary, Sardar Joga Singh Ji, came and developed a center of education. He was born on 26th of December 1934 in Hyderabad. Panth Bhushan, Sant Bishan Singh Ji and Shrimati Mana Kaur Ji. His grandfather, Sardar Ram Singh Ji, was in the Sikh military regiment of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji. The Sikh military regiment was sent to Deccan by Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji on the request of Nizam of Hyderabad. Sardar Ram Singh Ji accompanied the Sikh regiment to Deccan and settled down in Beed district. Later on, his son, Sant Bishan Singh Ji, moved to Hyderabad and settled down there. He had 3 sons and 3 daughters. Sardar Joga Singh Ji was his second child. Sardar Joga Singh Ji pursued his education in commerce from Osmania University. He got married at a very young age to Shrimati Tejinder Kaur and was blessed by 2 sons and 2 daughters. Under the guidance of his father, he became Class 1 contractor and started taking up projects in Bidar.
बचपन से ही उनको ईश्वर पे और अपने आप पे बहुत भरोसा था। वो जो भी काम करते थे उसको पूरा करे तक पीछे नहीं हटते थे। पहले से ही उनका ये मकसद था कि वो अपने काम में पूरा करके दिखाए। पहले से उनका ये मकसद था बिदर के लिए, अपने कौम के लिए आगे बढ़ के बच्चों की इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ाने के लिए हमेशा आगे बढ़ के फील्ड में आगे रहते थे इस काम में।
His work and achievements. After establishing himself as a leading contractor, he started getting involved in religious and educational activities. His philanthropist nature attracted him towards social activities. He became the Senate member of Hyderabad Karnataka Education Society and served from the year 1958 to 1975. In 1962, he became the life member of this society and was nominated as a member of Academic Committee for 3 years by Shri Govind Narayan, the then governor of Karnataka. He took over the responsibility as the president of Gurudwara Shri Nanak Jhira Sahib Bidar and Gurudwara Mata Bhago Janwada in 1967 on the demise of his father Panth Bhushan Sant Bishan Singh Ji. He devoted his time and energy towards the development of Gurudwara. To see things in a seed is vision. This was the philosophy followed by Sardar Joga Singh Ji, which enabled him to start a number of charitable and educational institutions.
हम हमेशा बिदर जाते थे। हमारे छुट्टियों में बहुत सारा टाइम हम बिदर में बिताते थे। हमारे दादाजी के ज़माने से हम जाते हैं। वहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं था, जंगल ही जंगल था और उसको इतना डेवलप किए हैं हमारे दादाजी और हमारे पिताजी ने। ये मेरे पिताजी ने इतना कोशिश की है कि उनके पिताजी जो शुरुआत किए थे उसको डेवलप किए हैं। अब बिदर की तो रौनक इतनी बढ़ गई है कि बयान नहीं कर सकते। उनके बेटे बलबीर सिंह भी बहुत कुछ काम कर रहे हैं और मेरी भाभी रेशमा कौर भी बहुत दिल जान से इंस्टीट्यूट को बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं। ये हम लोगों को बहुत खुशी होती है कि सुनकर कि उन्होंने इतना कुछ आगे उनके इंस्पिरेशन से ये सब कुछ बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Bidar, being the most neglected and backward area of Karnataka, lacked proper medical facilities for the people of Bidar. Looking into the needs of the people, he established Guru Nanak Charitable Hospital with well-equipped operation theatre in the year 1969. This hospital also provided timely treatment and proper medical care to the Sikh pilgrims visiting Bidar. In 1960s, he visited Japan, which gave him an opportunity to explore deeper into the ocean of education. His thoughts were always drawn towards the development of educational standards in Bidar.
और उन्हीं की वजह है मैं कह सकता हूं कि हैदराबाद में अगर कोई सिख पढ़ा लिखा है और कॉलेज के आप इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के पास करवा के भी आपको छोड़ा है उसने। पंजाब के सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ आके एडमिशन लेते थे। तो ये दोनों ने आके उनके पिताजी ने और जोगा सिंह जी ने एक बहुत बड़ा इनकलाब लाया है। मेरे लिए तो जोगा सिंह जी ना सिर्फ एक बड़े मेंबर थे, बल्कि मैं समझता हूं कि साहब मेरे लिए तो एक भगवान था, भगवान।
In the year 1975, he established the first educational institution, that is, Guru Nanak Public School in Bidar, with English as a medium of instruction, with a meager strength of 200 students and 20 staff members on roll. In 1984, he was successful in getting the school affiliated to CBSE Delhi. It has now flourished and increased its strength to 5,000 students and 280 staff members on roll. Over a period of 4 decades, thousands of students have become doctors, engineers, and professionals in different fields.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. I feel we are blessed and honored to carry forward the torch of knowledge and education ignited by our great visionary leader Sardar Joga Singh Ji. Unfortunately, we could not be part of his team when he was alive, but we have learned a lot by watching him work. He was a workaholic and brimmed with innovative ideas. He had a dynamic personality and he could make anything impossible possible.
His affinity and attachment towards his hometown, Hyderabad, made him serve as the president of Central Gurudwara Gauligura from 1975 to 1978. His passion to spread education from grassroots level made him set up a school in Himayat Nagar, Hyderabad in the year 1978. Since the Sikh population was more in Sikh Chani, his attention was drawn towards setting up a school there so that quality education could be imparted to Sikh students. The building of Guru Nanak School was constructed under his supervision in 1988.
Sardar Joga Singh Ji was a great philanthropist, not only in the field of the service of serving the religious institution, but also in the field of education. We are very much hopeful that his successor, Sardar Balbir Singh Ji, well supported by his life partner Srimati Reshma Ji, they have stepping into the foot of Sardar Joga Singh Ji in the service of education institutions. They took charge of the management of all these education institutions and they are serving very well.
The biggest contribution of Sardar Joga Singh Ji to Bidar in general and Sikh community in particular was the establishment of Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College in the year 1980. This was the first Sikh minority college in South with an intake of 350 to 400 students per year. The establishment of the college gave a big boost to the economy of Bidar as 80% of the students were from northern India. The college was started with 3 basic streams, that is, civil, mechanical and electrical. Now it has 7 streams with more than 2,500 students. The alumni of the college are very well placed in their profession globally.
He rendered selfless service to the society. He used to mention that when he got the engineering college sanction, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Gundu Rao, had asked him that why do you want to take the college in the name of the society? Why can't you take it in your own name? But he said that I want to do service to the society and that is the reason I want to take it under the banner of the society. We are proud of him. He's idol for us. We are striving hard to maintain the standards set up by him and we're trying to fulfill his dreams.
Students who were not eligible for admission in engineering college due to less percentage in PUC were provided with an opportunity to join Guru Nanak Dev Polytechnic College, which was set up by him in 1986. Later, he established Guru Nanak Pre-University College in 1988. He was an efficient administrator. he took keen interest in the day-to-day working of all the institutions. He kept personal touch with all the employees of the institution. He enjoyed involving himself in all the school and college activities like Annual Day and Sports Day.
For nearly 2 decades, I knew Sardar Joga Singh Saheb, who was one of the rarest of the rare human beings I have met. He was a visionary. He had a vision about how the state should develop. He was also a great patriot. Visionary in the sense he is responsible for building up the best education institutions in northern part of our state, that is Bidar. Sardar Joga Singh Saheb was one who was responsible for linking up all these religions. In fact, during his time, the Gurudwara of Bidar had developed itself into a very big pilgrimage center of the country. He used his friendship for the development of Bidar and for the development of the education in Bidar district.
Sardar Joga Singh Ji had lot of interest in football and hockey. He would keenly watch national and international matches on television. His love for hockey made him prepare the ground on his own without any assistance from the government to organize the first All India Hockey Tournament in Bidar in 1978-79. 2 more tournaments were organized in 1980 and in 1981. These were mega events in a small town like Bidar with the participation of national hockey players in these tournaments.
सम्मान्य जोगा सिंह जी आज हमारे साथ नहीं है, मगर जोगा सिंह का याद हमेशा हमको आता है। जोगा सिंह बीदर में एजुकेशन के बारे में बहुत अच्छा डेवलप किए हैं। इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज और दूसरे बहुत से बच्चों के वगैरह सभी चीज़ों के बारे में, एजुकेशन के बारे में उनको बहुत आसक्ति था। बहुत अच्छे विचार थे, डेवलपमेंट माइंडेड थे। जोगा सिंह का उनको शुभ हो, उनको शांति मिले, उनको अच्छा हो, इसीलिए उनका जो भी आज गए हैं हमारे सामने नहीं है मगर उनको याद करते रहे, आज जिंदा है ऐसा महसूस होता है। ये जोगा सिंह के बारे में कितना बोले तो भी कम है।
Sardar Joga Singh Ji had a dynamic personality. He had a good rapport with the local people and was very well connected with prominent politicians and eminent personalities from Karnataka and all over the country. He can be seen with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister of India, and Gyani Zail Singh Ji, President of India. Gyani Zail Singh Ji even visited his house during his tenure as the President of India.